Hi guys, this is Victor. Welcome to my DIY time channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace your garage door wall control. In my case, the buttons broke and they stopped working and I couldn't open and close the door anymore. Before you start, disconnect the garage door opener to make sure there's no power coming to the wall control. Use a hook tool to remove two plugs covering the screws. Next, remove two Phillips screws. Now the front panel of the wall control should easily come off. Next, just to be safe, put on safety gloves and then press on open and close buttons to make sure that there's still no power coming up to the circuit board. So I'm going to be using this replacement wall control unit, and as you can see, it's almost identical to the old one, and because of that there's going to be very minimal difference when installing the brand new part. And if you're interested, I'm going to post a link in the description area below this video where you can find and purchase this repair kit. The new circuit board looked almost identical to the old one, and the only difference that I noticed is that the wire connection points were moved from the middle to the bottom of it. And by tracing the circuits, I verified that the wire connection points on the new board were identical to the ones on the old one, so we'll just need to connect the red wire to the right side and the white one to the left. The old circuit board is simply hanging on those two wires, and to get them disconnected we just need to loosen two Phillips screws. Next, we just need to connect the wires to the new wall control unit in the same way the old one was connected, and then tighten the Phillips screws securely. And finally, we just need to reattach the wall control unit back to the wall in the reverse order of removal, and then test it to make sure everything works well. Alright, I hope this video was helpful, and if so, please give it a like. I would greatly appreciate that. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.